This is a great stretch for the groin. So the groin are these muscles on the inside of your leg here. What I want you to do is take a nice wide stance and then put your hand on the hip that you want to stretch. So I'm pushing down here and I should feel a little groin stretch in here. Now some of you may feel a pinch on the outside of your hip. If you do, simply take this foot just slightly further forward like this, and then you can put your hip backwards slightly. Now from here, what we want to do is we want to get the pelvis moving a little bit. So we're going to move it in the frontal plane like this. That increases the stretch. Now we're going to hold it in that increased position here, and then we're going to move into rotation just a little bit. So I'm imagining like my pelvis is a steering wheel and I'm rotating it left and right. And lastly, what I want to do is take the pelvis forwards and backwards. So I'm going into sort of flexion here and then extension here. And as I go into extension, I'll feel more stretch in the front. And as I go into flexion, I'll feel more stretch in the back. So that's a three-dimensional stretch for the groin muscles.